In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Dropified for drop shipping. So the first thing that you'll need to do once you open your preferred browser is simply go to this URL section and type dropified.com. Once you do so, this should take you into their home screen or main screen right away. First of all, what is Dropified? Dropified is a dropshipping automation tool that helps you import products from suppliers and sync with your store and fulfill orders automatically. Of course, it works with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and even Facebook Marketplace. Compared to other tools like Oberlo, if you know it, which is discontinues now, or this as an example, Dropified gives you more automation options, supplier flexibility, and features like one-click order fulfillment, and of course, or like some products bundling. So the first thing that you need to do is click on login to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, click on get started. Of course, you'll be able to choose. Of course, they don't offer here a free plan, but they will offer, as an example, a 14 days free trial to try, as an example, Dropify out before you will have to pay. And if you like it, then you'll be able to start using it. For me, I'll just do some workarounds around it. So to do some workarounds around it, as an example, I'm going to my Shopify account and click on login to log in into my account. And of course, I'll have here to go to apps, click on all recommended apps. And for me, I already have the app downloaded, but for you, I'm just going to show you how to download it. So you'll need to click on Shopify App Store and here just look for Dropified. So just go look for Dropified, and as you can see, you'll find it right here. Instead of open, you'll find an install button. Just go and install it, and for me, I'll just click on open. Of course, I don't have a plan yet, and still I access it or I access the homepage of Dropify. So normally, as you can see, they will ask you to finish some checklists. First of all, set up the Chrome extension. If you go and click on that, as you can see for me, I'm already done with it. But if you go and click on that, they will take you to the extensions or to Dropified extension specifically. So Dropified, and as you can see, for me, oh, sorry, for me, it's already installed. I'll have just to remove it if I want to. But for you, go and click on Add to download it first. Once you download it, as an example, you'll be able to start using Dropified. Of course, as I said, you will have then to connect it into your store. And for me, I'm already done with this because I go and install it from my Shopify, which will connect it to my store right away. Of course, for you, if you're starting from here, you'll find yourself with a basic screen like this, but you will have to do this manually. Connects in your store. They'll tell you, as example, you'll have to click on it, and you'll have to do the steps, which is click on Add Store, and you'll need to choose which platform, as example, whether it's WooCommerce, whether it's Shopify, and if Shopify is example, you'll have to go here to settings and simply try to get your domains from here. Example, as you can see, you'll find the domains right here. Just go and click on it. You'll find your domain example. And you'll have to simply copy it and paste it there to add your store. Then you'll have to import products. As an example, once you click on import product, they will tell you after you just have installed the extension, of course, and it connects to your store. It's time to search for products and let's look for the list of stores available to us and visit them to choose the best products. So you can also explore all partners from here. So as example, they will let you import products from, as you can see, AliExpress, Alibaba, and also eBay. And I don't know if those below are working or not. So one-click supported website that Dropified will import products from. So yeah, it seems like all of those options or all of those websites will let you import products from. So what you'll need to do is simply go to one of those websites. Let's say I'm just going to open, of course, they will not let me click on it because I'll need a premium plan, as you saw right here. So if I click on it, as you can see, they will tell me to upgrade the plan. But for me, what I will do is simply go to Alibaba as example.com, AliExpress as example, I'll go to that as well. So aliexpress.com, and this will take me to their websites right away. So here, as example, I'm just going to look for any products, as example, shoes, and let's say I want to import this product to my Shopify store or WooCommerce store, whatever store you are connected into. So as example, I want to import this. What I'll need to do is simply go and open the extension that we downloaded, sorry. So just go and open that extension. And as you can see, if it's a dropshipping products, you'll find this right here. If it's not, you'll find this is not a dropshipping product. So basically, it will not work with Dropify. So let's just look to another products example. Let's say it's this one. Let's just see if it's working or not. And so this is not a dropshipping products. Okay, let me just try AliExpress just in case if it's not working or something like that. Let me just go and look for this and look for this example. I don't know, it's a clock or whatever it is. So let's just go here, click on that, and yeah, so okay, it's working. Maybe it just was those two products. So anyway, once you go to the products page and you click on it, as you can see, they will basically just import it. So they will add all the details from here, from the title to the price to everything. For example, additional options, as you can see, also added. Images also will be added. And of course, if you have multiple stores connected into your Dropified, you can simply from here, you can choose to which store you want to import it. Of course, you can import it for many options and you can even save it for later. For me, I'm just going to go here and click on send to my store. But as you can see, for me, they told me save for later error. Importing from this store, AliExpress not included in your current plan. Why? Because I'm not using a better plan. I'm using just the free plan. And as you can see, the free plan has nothing basically. You'll not be able to do anything on the free plan. So if you need to use it, of course, you'll need at least the first flight Shopify, as you can see, which will get you unlimited orders, unlimited boards, and 150 products. And as you can see, one click to import from stores, 3 stores at least, you'll be able to add 3 stores. So for you, if you have a plan, all you need to do, just go to the extension and click on send to my store. It's going to be very easy. Then you can go to your store, Shopify store, course, if you go to products, you will find them added here. For sure, you will find them added here automatically. You don't have to do anything. And for orders, it will be fulfilled automatically. Once a customer like add the products into their checkout like page, of course, and add the correct variants and do everything, they will basically like Dropify will do everything for you. It will place the order and do everything. And Dropify also will let you edit the product description, titles before importing, change the supplier if one's run out of the stock, as example, bundle multiple products into one offer, add some custom thank you note or branding in some cases, example, if your supplier allows it, and a lot of other stuff. So for you, all you need to do, just go to Dropify and click on my products, and from here, click on migrate. As you can see, for me, they will not allow me to, but for you, if you have a plan, you will have to choose from the product that they will show you there, or do the same here with using this extension. So go to the products that you want to add to your store, go and click to the extension. It will add all the details. You can even edit it if you want and click on send to my store. Of course, you can do that with any like products that you want. Of course, some of the products may not be working. So, for example, this is working as well. So if that product is not working, like nothing you can do, you can just go to the next one. You can look for some product like similar to it to import it to your site. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.